Welcome to Huffines Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram Plano, where we'll show you how to use the basic features of your car. If you get into an accident, first make sure that everyone is okay and call 911 if anyone is injured. Show concern about everyone's well-being. Immediately take mental pictures of the other driver's appearance and demeanor. If there are no serious injuries, move the vehicles to the side of the road and out of the way of traffic. Make sure to exchange information with the other driver. Take photos or get their name, address, phone number, insurance company policy number, driver's license number, and license plate number as well. Look at their actual license and insurance card to ensure the information is accurate. If the driver doesn't own the vehicle, get the owner's information as well as the driver's. If there are witnesses, try to get their contact information. Witnesses can help corroborate your side of the story. Write out a written description of the other driver, their vehicle, make, model, color, and year, damage to the vehicles, the weather, road conditions, the nearest cross streets, time of day, and the accident, what actually happened. Do not tell the other driver or police that the accident was your fault. Consider filing an accident report with law enforcement, even if there aren't any injuries. This guarantees official documentation of the accident in case the other driver changes their story. It also helps speed up the claims process. Don't forget, if you have any other questions or concerns, you can contact the Huffines Collision Center in Plano at the number below on your screen. They can help you get a tow, a rental vehicle, or they can even help you negotiate with insurance on your behalf.